Hi, I'm Dr. Darshan Shah, and I'm the founder of Beautologie. Beautologie is the Central Valley's premier plastic surgery organization. We've been here for about 20 years, and we really love working and being in this area. I've been a plastic surgeon now for over 20 years. I went to medical school in Kansas City, Missouri, and it was an incredible program that really allowed us to spend a lot of time in the hospital with the physicians. I did surgery for many years. I did general surgery, I did trauma surgery, which includes basically operating on every area of the body, and I loved it, but I was really inspired by plastic surgery, specifically my mentors in plastic surgery that showed me how intricate and how perfect surgery needs to be done. I trained at the Mayo Clinic in Rochester, Minnesota, which is one of the biggest and most well-renowned hospitals all over the world. The reason I became a plastic surgeon is because I really love doing surgery and seeing the patient's reaction afterwards. I live for that on a day-to-day basis. It really inspires me to continue to do this work and do more of it for the rest of my life. I think one of my major specialties is doing mommy makeover and post-bariatric weight loss surgery. And what happens in those types of patients, they've had significant life experiences where they look in the mirror and they feel that they have completely not recognizing the person that they see. And I love it when specifically patients that I've seen in the past that they basically go back to where they were before maybe the childbirth or before the massive weight loss, and they just feel like they're back to their normal selves. They recognize the person they see and they feel totally like they have their confidence back. I remember there's one person that came up to me that had bariatric surgery, had lost a lot of weight, and she felt like she didn't even want to show her body to her husband anymore. And she felt super embarrassed with the way she looked, even worse than she did when she had all the weight on her. And I reassured her, I told her, look, these are the things that we can do, showed her before and after pictures. And I think she was still kind of hesitant because she really couldn't see herself in the kind of body that we were proposing. But once she went through all the procedures and she looked in the mirror, she felt incredible. And she just felt like we had really come through for her. And most important is she totally regained a new sense of relationship with her husband and just felt incredible at home as well. So for 20 years, one of the things that I really love about cosmetic surgery in particular is you just keep getting better and better at it as time goes on. You can do more procedures, you can get a more refined result and a result that the patient really is looking for in their own mind. And I love coming into work and just talking to people, seeing what they want and really getting them to where they want to be in their original procedure. I do a lot of revision cases for other physicians that maybe didn't get their patient to where they wanted them to be. And I love just finding out what they really want and getting them there more consistently. I've really been able to do over the many years of doing this job is just continually getting better, not just with the surgical procedures, but also with how we relate to our patients, how we treat our patients. And I love to teach, and so I've been able to teach that to our staff, our nurses, even to some of our junior physicians, and they really get it, and all the staff gets it, and I love that we're all on the same page. And so as we move in the future, we're just going to keep getting better and better, and that's what this journey in plastic surgery is all about, continually improving our procedures, continually improving our patient care, and just making it easier and more effective for our patients. And I think all of our staff and all of our doctors would agree that that's what we're all about.